Now, I'm reading this news from UP, Uttar Pradesh, where an SSP has arrested 109 people for peeing on the road and even sent them to jail. Now, India Times is saying hats off to the SSP who initiated the drive. That's fine. Now, there's this image of this sick man peeing on the roadside. That's all fine. But then the point is that where are the toilets? It's easy to take such initiatives. It's easy to blame people for peeing on the roadside, but then where are the toilets? That's the main problem. Now, India Times over here goes on to say that the SSP who initiated the drive says this is the first of many such drives. Bravo, even I say bravo. We need more officers like him, sure. But then the primary point is, why are people compelled to pee on the roadside? Because there are just no toilets. And it's easy to blame people, but then what does one do when there are just no toilets? I think the need of the hour in India is to build as many more toilets as we can. The Prime Minister has definitely taken the right initiative on this front, but then I genuinely feel that there's a lot more which can be done and which should be done at the earliest possible, where we have many more toilets created. That is genuinely the need of the hour. And there was this comment by Jairam Ramesh, he's a Congress minister, where he had said that more than toilets we need more than temples we need toilets. Whatever religious people may have objections to such a statement, but that's absolutely true. What we really need is toilets. When there are toilets, people will not use the roadside. People will not defecate in the open the way people, especially in the villages, as well as on the fringes of the urban areas. That's what they do. That's so shameful that we, as a country which is on the path to developmenthood, where we are considered a developed country. Of course, we still have a long way to go. But then, if you're on the path to progression, we definitely need to take hygiene as a very important factor. And I think one of the first and foremost such initiatives would be having adequate toilets for the general populace of the country. So let's hope people do take the right steps towards that end. Cheers on that note.